Hey everybody, welcome to MarineMax Lake Lanier. My name is John Stovall and I am on the brand new 2025 redesigned Sea Ray 250 SDX. So if you're familiar with the old Sun Deck line, this is basically the evolution of that. A couple big highlights for 2025 are the new windshield, a little bit of interior changes, different tower, things like that. So boat's gorgeous, but I'm going to walk you through some of the things I really like about the boat. Starting in the bow, this is a nice U-shaped bow seating. So on the SDX series, they carry the beam all the way forward, so you get a lot more space up in the bow. Optional table as well, so really makes it a nice lounging area if you'd like to use it for that. Storage in the center, plus you've got an optional windlass anchor locker up on the bow as well. Coming back with me, storage on the port side of the boat for your tables, things like that. Then you also have a nice head in here for the size of the boat. Opens up just like that. You also get the optional cushions that you can put in here to turn into a sun pad, a little berth if you'd like instead. Moving back, the big highlight of the SDX again is the space. So Sea Ray's done a really good job to use as much space as possible on this boat. So instead of having traditional two captain's chairs, they did a double wide helm seat with a flip up bolster, and it slides back and forth. Same on the other side. So you can really turn this into a huge space. See a lot of people in here. Again, you've got your optional table. This one does have the table. Big seating area. And notice the windshield, unlike years in the past, comes a lot further back. Towers further back. You get more space, more shade, more element protection. Moving back through the back of the boat, you got a nice sun pad here that rotates, so you can lounge out if you like. Nice comfortable spot to be. Otherwise, flip it back up. You got seating both in and out. They did this sun pad smaller, so you could use it both ways if you'd like. Huge storage off the back. This storage is where all your batteries, your chargers, things like that are. Plus, you have the storage right there on the inside of the boat. Cup holders, charger, transom gate, flip down ladder, and optional flip down sun step. And lastly, I'll show you the helm where everything is controlled. This is a Simrad glass dash helm. Still have your traditional switches. You can option it for a second screen. This one only has one screen, but all your gauges, switches, everything run through that. I appreciate you guys taking the time to hang out with us today. If you have any more questions or want to see more of the boat, please go to www.marinemax.com. Thank you.